Good morning from the auto hobby. Today we are again at the auto hobby. Everyone is working on cars.
My friend, it's called Amazon.co.jp. Oh, what do I do about that? I'll just paint over it. Do you think it'll come off the sticker?
I think so.
Some heat. Oh yes,
Looking
definitely
good.
gonna need some black couplers.
Yep.
Yeah, and like you said, I think they sell it at Parts Off, like the
Yeah, they
the
do only
orange-
the sponge.
or the red sponge. Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be
It doesn't cost much. It's like 2,000 yen.
Yeah.
So
Hell yeah. That's great.
pretty nice selection of cars today at the hobby shop. So Alex got brand new discs, handbrake pads, OEM this time, because the project meal got eaten. Yeah, coil looks fire. Gunsway aftermath.
One of your upper control arms.
Yeah, set it and then what do you
Set
say?
them the same and then go one notch negative. Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, it's not really just. It's not really. A little square, like a little shelf, like on the tire machine. Oh, that's okay. That's okay.
Boy, oh boy.
I'm bolting this and this.
Okay.
And then I'm bolting it from there. Pop that out. Then you're gonna cut that off. Then you're gonna put the sandwich plate in. Bolt that all up together. Then like compress your suspension, nip it all up, and then change your tension rod.
So where does the knuckles go? So I cut this off.
Michael knows.
Okay.
You know, right, Michael?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know, then we'll figure it out. All right.
That's like more positive. So we'll probably try where that hole goes there.
So that back hole goes right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And put the whatever bolts. Probably these ones will probably go in the back one or something. Yeah, just loosen that all up and
These were brand new. Like a week ago.
new e-brake. Yeah. Or replace this too, loop it all up. Or replace all this because it comes with it. I'll keep it because it's like OEM stuff. But may as well put new shit in there.
Yeah.
And then if it doesn't work, then fuck.
Got the knuckle off. Next thing is cutting it. Right here.
Like as much as I like fucking with cars, like I'm not.
And get this thing done. Sick. Step 1 completed.
I don't even know if you need to clean these off, but I'm gonna do it anyways.
Yeah, he's like tall and Dominican guy. He was driving.
Don't record me. Don't record me. I look stupid.
Yeah, because
He's sending it. You're a little bit more confident than I am. Meanwhile,
It's like one of the not American bases.
I see, okay.
So I'm like, oh, fuck is
yeah. Well, because like one day I saw her getting in the winning.
That is,
Oh,
this is marked right, but oh,
And so
hold
then,
on.
like the next time I saw her, and I was like, no. Yeah.
It goes like,
yeah, that's right. Okay.
because that doesn't make sense. Hold on, dude. Holy shit. Sorry.
oh, that's below, isn't it?
It goes outwards. It goes outward. These not.
Like, he's one floor above us, but our balconies like look at each other. So there's that time, I don't know if you saw in the store, there's like the screaming lady outside of the Japanese store. Hello! And then, yeah, now we're like friends.
Yeah.
And he's like,
Okay, bolts.
yeah.
Yeah, but put Loctite on them.
I've never actually. I think I read about it. So it's not such a because he's the bull, so that's not very.
Kind of figured it out now, somehow.
Look, come on this side. That popped out somehow.
Holy shit.
That's why my handbrake stopped working.
Makes sense.
That's annoying. We could have fixed that at the fucking event. Damn it, dude. How am I gonna bend that? Oh, I didn't get that one.
Became foggy. Look how close it is.
I want a pizza tonight.
You want pizza tonight?
Damn.
Oh god. That's fucking horrible. Why? You got the other one?
Just need to put the wheels on. Then there is a dilemma of 2 nuts.
I mean, better than 5.
Well, almost done.
I think it's slightly still towed in. Yeah, that's gonna be kind of with this potential. I mean, dude, it almost looks dead nuts. I measured. It's like 1 mil toe in. Where's the set him on the ground? That might just be enough. That's the gauche?
Yeah.
Go down his gauche?
Oh, no.
A little bit more. Work?
Yeah.
Alright. Pack it up, go home.
Just loaded a bunch of 350Z stuff. These are not BC Racing, they're all coilovers. And I'll bring them to UpGarage and see how much they're gonna give us. Performance. We're checking out the car of an employee, but look at this thing. Look at this thing. The eyelids, that look so good.
Yeah. We got like a little alarm system, look at it.
It's quite nice, especially here with the UpGarage signage. But again, look at this Alto. Freaking bucket seat. Fully race spec. Again, look at the exhaust.
It's like he has a bunch of B stuff, like it's probably whatever. Dude, this is a young guy.
It's the day after we got at A Pit Autobacs and we got some goodies. Yeah, I need to make the engine bay look nice. Since now we have this nice Weld coil plate, coil cover. So now I got the red sponge there. I'm gonna put black couplers. It's gonna look nice. We just stopped at this random PA in Tokyo, so we just found some other cars. There's a very interesting GZX 81 twin turbo with a VIP plate, nice fitment, and it's super clean. This 300Z is a crazy aero. Roll cage. We've come here, and it's actually pretty cool. There's some Shake Shack, and cars are raving. Park over there. And there's a lowrider. Getting into those Tokyo Drift parking lots. Wow! Ooh, it's a Renault 5. He needs to wait to see your car.
Why do they have stuff like that? It's a Renault Clio, right?
Yeah, Renault 5. It's a Renault 5 Turbo, I think. Yeah, Renault 5 Turbo. This thing is worth hell of money.
A lot of money.
Yeah.
Money now or cash?
Just some Fast and Furious vibes right here. Got a Renault 5 Turbo coming out earlier, and now Alex's Mark II. This is so cool. Only in Japan, dude. Only in Japan.